Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is a technical object and here is the drawing with all dimensions. We start by creating this contour with this axis. Dimensions are here. Let's start. New, standard millimeter PT, new sketch on XY plane. Then we modify the space because we have to draw a vertical line of 218. This is the axis and we make it center line. Then we place it with its center or midpoint to the center point. Then other lines. This is the first, then to the right, up somewhere here, left, up, also left, then up. We place here a channel, back up to this level and close here. This last one must be horizontal and we place it to contain that end point also here. Dimensions. This is 165. Oh, this is not vertical. $165. External is 205. This is 167. Then this is 170 millimeters. This is 175. Many dimensions, but this is our mission to create everything here. On vertical 8 millimeters is this, 3.4 the other, 31 from this point to up, 31. This is 73. and we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, revolve, and this is the first volume. Chamfers up and down, 5 at 30 degrees. Chamfer this solution, not this one, and 5 millimeters, 30 degrees, and the face is this. Here we measure 5. Then we select the edge, apply, then down, face and edge. Okay. We continue by applying these 3 kinds of channels. The first is this slot, 60-45 radius 5, which is through the wall. Then this one, radius 7, 142, 24, but with a depth of 11. And the last is this one, another slot. This can be considered another slot, radius 20, 88, 47, with the thickness of 8. Let's do this. We start by creating a new plane based on XY and tangent to the cylinder. New sketch, slot, center to center. This is 60 and this is 5 multiplied by 2. You see? The placement is on the same vertical, this point with this point, but at a distance of 45 from the bottom of this center. 45. Finish sketch, extrude, cut 2 to this face. You see? Okay. We keep this plane for the other slot. New sketch, slot. This is 142 and this is twice 7 multiplied by 2. We make coincident this line with this point. The distance of 24 to the bottom. Finish sketch, extrude with cut on 11 millimeters depth. Okay, we can eliminate this because we use YZ plane for the new sketch. F7, slot, this is 88, this is twice 20, and the distance from the bottom is 47. Dimension 47. Another dimension is 3 millimeters from this line to this line. 3. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical with cut 22 millimeters. Okay, now you can see that 3 channels. If we take a look to the drawing, we see that we must multiply them in 17 occurrences. Circular pattern for 1, 2, 3 features about this axis, not 6 but 17. Okay, we finish the part by creating this 3 times diameter of 8 holes. You see here the angles for them. 1, 2, 3. The placement is at 65 from the top. We use again this plane, F7, then we draw a rectangle which has a distance from this bottom line to this upper face of 65. This is center line and the diameter is 8. We project this generator to place coincident, better coincident these two, and horizontal to be vertical this point with this center point to have fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve with cut. Okay, this hole is very new. Then we apply circular pattern for this last feature. We select the axis of this cylinder. We apply mid-plane and we place here twice of 127 the angle, not 6 but 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 at 125 degrees. Material is still stainless steel, and we use not default IBL but default lights. And now we have the same object. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.